So this is Mika.
Yeah, Mommy.
And this is a mother and daughter bonding. So today it's our daughter Mika who's gonna do a pour. And what color are you gonna use?
This.
What color is that?
Purple.
No.
Yes.
No, that's not red.
That's blue.
Yes, that is blue. What color is this?
Blue.
Yes. How about this one?
Green.
Green. And how about this one?
Purple.
This is magenta.
This is
Magenta.
it's
Okay. How about this one?
orange.
Yes. And this one?
Yellow.
Yellow. So this is the second time that little Mika will do a pour. First time she did a sink strainer. And now she's gonna do another sink strainer pour. And we have 3 sink strainer here. So it's Mika's decision if she's gonna use 3 sink strainers or just 1. So Mika now is gonna start her pour. And what color is gonna use?
This.
Okay. Where you gonna put that?
This.
Okay. So she's putting blue. Okay, now.
This.
Okay. What color is that?
Green.
Green. Okay, enough. Okay. You can put that here.
Here.
Yep. What color is that? Magenta. Okay, enough. Wait muna, wait. You need to wait, okay? Look how pretty. Don't touch. You like that?
Yeah. This. This one.
Okay, can put it. Just adding yellow. Enough.
This.
Yes. Be careful. Oops. Oh, enough. Okay, wait. Okay.
This.
How about you put the other thing also? Wait first.
This.
I'm gonna turn it.
This.
Wait. Put in here.
This.
Okay. Wow. Stop.
This one.
Just be careful.
This has.
Yeah, we need to buy you a little gloves. I need to search that. Just be careful, okay?
Stop.
Okay, stop.
Stop. This.
Okay, stop.
Stop.
Okay. Okay, let's put the other one.
Iron.
You're so good. Okay. What color are you gonna put?
This.
Okay.
Stop.
Stop.
This.
Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
This I go.
Okay, let's fix your glove.
This one.
Okay. Okay, stop. Stop.
Stop.
Okay.
This.
Okay, you can put that. Just be careful. Stop.
Stop.
Yes. That's so nice.
This
Wait.
one.
Okay. Okay, stop. Stop. Okay.
This.
Wow.
This.
That is so amazing. Wait, look. Do you see what happening? Yeah, look, there's a lot of beans. Right? So pretty.
This is the fire.
Okay, stop.
Stop. This.
Okay, stop. Stop. Okay. Stop. 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 Okay, put aside. Put thing aside first.
Cutter.
Wait first. Look. Look, it's flowing. Okay,
Oh,
wait,
yes.
okay? Don't put much. Okay, we're gonna wait, okay? We're gonna wait first, okay?
Oh,
Yeah, we're gonna put more, but wait, okay? You need to wait. Look, they're still sinking, right? Look. Do you see that? It's moving. Wow! That is amazing.
where?
Okay, wait. We're gonna rotate this one. Oh, wait. Can you wait for mommy?
Hey, honey.
Can you put
This?
you can put green in here? Can you put green?
Yeah.
But only a little, okay? Don't put too much. Okay, enough? Okay. And then you can add more magenta.
Tato.
Okay. Okay, enough. Okay. Now we're gonna wait, then we're gonna tilt it, okay? Okay, I will teach you.
This.
Okay. No, we need to, enough. We're gonna wait, okay? Very good, Mika. You're listening to mommy. Wait, look. Do you see what's happening? It's flowing. Right?
Here's.
Nope. I'll show you, okay? I'll show you what you're gonna do, okay?
Do it. I'm done.
Yeah, you're gonna tilt it. Okay, wait. I'm gonna show it, okay? Then you're gonna hold the canvas, okay?
Hot color.
Okay, wait for now. Wait. Wait.
Is.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you lift it very slowly?
Sorry.
Don't. No. This one. I'll help you, okay? Then you're gonna lift the canvas. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Wow! Look how amazing it is. Let's put this thing in here. And then slowly.
Sorry.
Oops! Put in here. Wow! Wait. I'll help you.
The perfume.
Oh no, that's so pretty. Then we're gonna wait.
More.
You want more?
Yeah.
Okay. What color you like?
As
Can you put
This.
blue? Okay.
you.
In here.
Here.
Okay, enough. Can you put a little here?
Here. Here.
Okay, enough.
Yep.
Okay, enough. Can you give it to me? Thank you.
I found it.
Okay, we're gonna move it now. Then we're. Okay, can you put some orange in here?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, enough. Okay, enough. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow. We're gonna move then. We're gonna do another, okay? Say, okay, mommy.
Is this your bit?
Yep. You wanna tilt?
Yeah.
So she's tilting it. Wow. You did a great job. Careful here.
Here.
Yep. Then let's go there. This is so lovely. Oops, we need to go back
Oh, go.
in here. Oh, we lost the beautiful one. There. Do you want another one? Do you want to make one?
Yeah.
Okay. Look how pretty it is. Oh my God. You did great, Mika. Thank you, Mika.
Where's your others?
You want orange juice?
Oh.
So she's the one who picked all the colors and it did amazing.
See it?
Yes, so pretty. Don't hold it. Do you want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you like your pour?
Yeah, I have iron.
Yes, we're gonna pour again, okay?
Iron.
Okay. Hold Mama's hand. Can you hold Mama's hand? Thank you. Wow. She's holding my hand. I want this part. I love that part, baby.
This one.
Okay. Just be careful, okay? Okay. Ooh. Just careful, don't touch the painting, okay? Oh, thank you, Mika. Okay, move back. Thank you for helping me on that part. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, enough. So this is the close-up look of the sink strainer that my daughter started. So she's the one who picked up all the colors. And she stopped because she saw her daddy coming out and she wanted to be with her daddy. So I love the detail of the flowers, especially this part. And this one, I love it. Okay. This one created cells because the blue and the orange, but it looked nice. So thank you so much for watching and be safe, guys. God bless you all.